Today we're checking out the much-anticipated OnePlus 13, a phone that's got everyone talking in 2025. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus 13 comes with a gorgeous 6.82-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, the premium glass back feels smooth and looks stunning. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 packs the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and 12 and 24 gigabytes of RAM, making it incredibly fast and responsive. Whether you're switching between apps or playing graphics-heavy games, it handles everything like a champ. On the camera front, the OnePlus 13 features a 32-megapixel dual-camera setup. The 50-megapixel main lens captures sharp, detailed shots, and the 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes. And yes, the low light performance is great, thanks to the improved night mode. Battery life? No worries here. The 6,000 milliamp hour battery easily lasts a full day on moderate use. Plus, with 100-watt fast charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 36 minutes. Fast and efficient. To wrap it up, the OnePlus 13 is a fantastic device with an amazing display, solid performance, and impressive cameras. What do you think about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.